लड़कियों को, फीमेल प्रोटेस्टर्स को मेल कॉप्स क्यों पीट रहे हैं? मेल कॉप्स में बच्चियों को जब पीट रहे हैं तो और बीच में आके कहां से हाथापाई करने लगे हैं? दिल्ली पुलिस को बताना चाहिए माननीय बस्सी साहब को। मुझे लगता है कि इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद अपनी पुलिस पे कितना गर्व हो रहा है ये बस्सी साहब को आके टीवी के सामने।
Okay, I'm going to interrupt you there. Dilip Pandey, stay with us. RP Singh from the BJP is also on the phone line with me. RP Singh, the Aam Aadmi Party is saying that the BJP, that the Delhi police was actually working under directions of the BJP.
I don't want to comment on what Mr. Dilip Pandey is saying, but I asked in the video, and I've already said on that the Basti should identify that police officer and try to understand and identify that officer and try to understand what provoked him to do what he was doing, and then to take a suitable action. I'm also for it that no male police officer has a right to beat a woman protester, although they might have broken a law of 144. Point is fact, but no one has a right to break the law, and Section 144 implemented. Then they have no right to break that law. I mean, if they were told that they should not protest here because of Section 144, but that point aside, the police officer who was mishandling the woman, who was a woman or type whatever you see in the video,
okay,
identified, and whatever action has to be taken, and whatever for question should be understood, and then whatever action has to be taken should be taken.
Right, RP Singh, of course, from the BJP saying that action must be taken against that cop. Thank you for joining us, RP Singh. Thank you, Dilip Pandey, also for joining us on that. Pooja Shali, if I could come back to you. Pooja, what are you hearing from the Delhi police? BS Basi has a lot of explaining to do.
Well, Delhi police has not given out an official response. In fact, what we are being told by some of the senior police personnel officials are that there was no extreme force used. That is what they maintain. In fact, I can also confirm, while we were also present at that location, there was lathi charge. And this seems to be perhaps on the other side of the protest, where officially the media camera persons were not even allowed. And that is where it seems whether or not this confrontation took place, it led to this extreme force being used.
Well, Pooja, as you're pointing out, of course, if we keep the politics out of it, the fact is that in these visuals, it does seem that the Delhi police is using excessive force on student protesters. B, of course, there are no women policemen over there. But the DCW has now stepped in. Swati Maliwal saying that the Delhi police needs to explain this action, also has asked all these student protesters to go to the DCW.
दिल्ली पुलिस के जवान भी हैं और कुछ लोग हैं जो यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं हैं। लड़कों के साथ लड़कियों को भी पीटते हुए वीडियो में दिखाया जा रहा है। पुलिस कह रही है कि वो प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे और वो क्लेम गलत है। DCW कैसे देख रहा है इस पूरे मामले को?
बहुत ही चौंका देने वाले दृश्य हैं और ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा कि दिल्ली की देश की राजधानी के ये दृश्य हैं। मैं समझ नहीं पा रही कि दिल्ली पुलिस ने के पुरुषकर्मी इतनी बर्बरता से महिलाओं को कैसे मार सकते हैं। और ये सच्चाई ये है कि दिल्ली पुलिस का जो पुरुषकर्मी है वो तो जो गुंडा दिख रहा है वहां पे, जो महिला को मारता हुआ दिख रहा है, उनके महिलाओं और गुंडों के बीच में महिलाओं को बचाने के लिए वहां पे रखे गए हैं दिल्ली पुलिस के पुरुषकर्मी। तो मैं ये समझना चाहती हूँ कि महिला पुलिस क्यों नहीं थी वहां पे। सेकेंडली, इतनी बुरी तरीके से ऐसा क्या हो गया जिसकी वजह से महिलाओं को नोचकर महिलाओं को पीटा जा रहा है। और इसके ऊपर दिल्ली महिला आयोग बिल्कुल संगीन, ये बहुत संगीन बात है। इसके ऊपर हम लोग एक नोटिस इमीडिएटली इशू कर रहे हैं दिल्ली पुलिस को। और मेरी बस ये अपील है कि जितनी भी प्रोटेस्टर्स हैं, महिला प्रोटेस्टर्स, वो जल्दी से जल्दी दिल्ली महिला आयोग के ऑफिस में आए। हम उनके स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड करना चाहते हैं और हम इंश्योर करना चाहते हैं कि सख्त से सख्त एक्शन ऐसे पुरुषकर्मियों के, पुलिसकर्मियों के ऊपर जरूर हो जो कि इतनी बुरी तरीके से महिलाओं को पीट रहे हैं दिल्ली में।
लेकिन दिल्ली पुलिस तो डिफेंड कर रही है अपने जवानों की इस पूरी कार्रवाई को।
मैं ये समझ नहीं पा रही है किस प्रकार का डिफेंस है। द फैक्ट इज कि महिलाओं को मारते हुए दिल्ली पुलिस के पुरुषकर्मी साफ दिख रहे हैं और बहुत ही बर्बरता से मार रहे हैं। तो हमारी बस यही अपील है सारे प्रोटेस्टर्स को, वो जल्दी से जल्दी यहाँ पर आए। हम इसके ऊपर डेफिनेटली संज्ञान लेना चाहते हैं जिससे आज के बाद कभी भी कोई भी पुलिसकर्मी, पुरुष पुलिसकर्मी महिला को इस तरीके से मारने की कभी हिम्मत ना करे।
You comment in Swati Maliwal that the video is surfaced which shows the atrocity by the Delhi police with the men in uniform and men without uniform, the atrocity on the students with boys and girls.
These images are completely shocking. I can't believe that these images are coming from the National Capital Territory of Delhi. These are extremely shocking. The fact is that we can see male police officers beating up, thrashing females, and I just can't understand why is that happening. Why use of such amount of force by a male police officer on a female and it is the responsibility of the male police officer to actually defend that female, because we can also see some people in civil dress also beating up these women. So it was the responsibility of the police force to protect these women from these civilians who were trying to beat them up. I can't understand this, and I can't understand why is it that there were no female police officers available there to actually be supporting these women to protect them from this entire mishap that is happening there. So I very strongly urge all these women protesters who have been beaten up, who have been wronged, to come to the Delhi Commission of Women. We need to register a case, and we need to ensure strictest action against such police officers, because the police of Delhi is there to protect the rights of the women, and it is not there to beat them up in this inhuman manner.
Well, that was Swati Maliwal from the DCW saying that they are taking so much cognizance of the footage and the visuals that have emerged. Now, let's go back to Pooja Shali, who's on the phone line with me. Pooja, demands growing that action be taken against the Delhi policemen who are seen in this